Hey everyone, I'm Caitlin. I am the digital home editor at Better Homes and Gardens. I'm here at my apartment with my not yet styled bookshelf. I'm gonna give you a few ways you can make over your own shelves in just a few minutes. So I've had this bookshelf for a few years and I recently moved into this apartment and thought I would not keep it, but it's been here over 6 months, so it's time to get it styled. So the first thing I'm gonna do is clear everything off and clean off the shelves. Now it's time to shop your home. You don't need to go anywhere, just use what you have on hand. So I start with books and magazines, which will be your foundation and your focal point. Then I make buckets of collectibles and accessories, artwork, framed art, and then plants if you have them and you have enough light for them. Start from the bottom of your bookshelf with your largest items. For me, that was magazines, but it could be books, it could be tall vases, and then work your way to the top. Try to stick to a consistent color scheme. So I had black magazine files at the bottom of my bookshelf, but everything else was primarily whites and golds, so I got rid of those and replaced them with a wire basket. I like to create a sort of S shape with my largest items, so I go from left to right alternatively on each shelf. Once you have your largest items placed, you can fill in with the details. So small trinkets, accessories, plants, candles, anything you want to display in addition to your largest items. That's a wrap. Thanks for listening to my tips, and I hope they've been useful, and I can't wait to see how you style your shelves.